Okay. All right. Hold on a second, Joel.
No.
What?
No. Ready?
What? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. You got the things in there? All right.
Is it lighting?
You need to go put your hands down.
Yeah, but
Joel.
it's gonna hurt my ears.
No. Come on. All right.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
Okay, you ready? Are you pushing both buttons?
No.
Push both buttons.
You're not supposed to push.
Yes, you are. You push both buttons. Yeah, they have to be connected. Are they connected now? There they are. Okay, good. Let me take a look. All right. Yeah. Yeah, but you keep both hands on. Okay. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2. Right, what did you want? Oh my gosh! I see it. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Parachute is not coming out.
Oh, no.
We have a malfunction. That's gonna get ugly.
I can't see. Oh, there it is.
Can you catch it? Uh-oh.